Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And this morning we're going to talk about your fresh air vents. Now, if you have an AA1A, 1B, 1C, Traveler, Cheetah, Tiger of any variant, then you have fresh air vents that kind of look like this. They are fully articulating up and down, and we check every set before we put them in a box. These are going to be going out today. But Yankee Aviation does have a bunch of these air vents for our airplanes. Fortunately, these do not fit most of the AG5Bs. They were a slightly different size. But if you've got a normal Grumman, we've got the air vents for you. And a pack of two, we're selling them for $50 and $15.05 for postage and insurance. We'll get them to you in a couple of days. But these are what your air vents look like. Once again, Yankee Aviation has a bunch of them. And they are fairly nice, and they do last quite a while. As always, we hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. And here's Linda Mojonnier and Jan Blackman standing beside Ken's old airplane, November 5792 Lima.